Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to News Corner with DOLI. Please like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to get more updates on this channel. So yesterday there was a news surfacing that the Ace celebrated journalist Anas Aremeyau Anas was to appear before court as ordered by the Supreme Court, and some of the news were circulating that he was to appear in an open court without his trademark mask. He had a sort of a mask that had been his trademark for some years now, and this all boils down to the Supreme Court overruling the rule of the High Court that was privileging Anas to testify in camera or in his chamber. Kwesi Nyantakyi sent the case to the Supreme Court, and it was ruled that Anas is to come to the court openly to testify against Kwesi Nyantakyi in the GFA saga that came on in Anas number 12 video some years ago. And some of the news were saying, a particular news like this one was saying that Anas was to come to the court without his mask. There is a press release by Cromwell Gray that is stating otherwise. So it is refuting those who are saying that Anas is to testify in an open court without his mask. So this is a press release from Anas Chambers and the Republic versus Kwesi Nyantakyi. So it is stating here that we are lawyers for the celebrated undercover investigative journalist Anas Aremeyau Anas. Our attention has been drawn to development in the ongoing criminal trial of the former head of the Ghana Football Association, Kwesi Nyantakyi, who is standing trial for corruption and fraud over the number 12 investigative report aired on 2018. The documentary uncovered football-related corruption in Ghana and other African countries. So it goes on to say that the star witness for the Republic, that was Ahmed Suale, was murdered before he could testify in court, and so somebody was to replace him. And so Anas Aremeyau Anas agreed to testify in the stead of Ahmed Suale on condition that he is to be allowed to do so in camera or in chambers. That was the proposal that Anas came up with, and the High Court they accepted this proposal. And after some time, the Supreme Court overruled that ruling by the High Court. The public should disregard false reportage that Anas has been ordered by the Supreme Court or is being compelled by the Supreme Court to appear in court without his trademark face beads. So Anas may choose to testify as a prosecution witness or not. Anas and his Tiger Eye team will continue to wear the iconic face beads as a symbol of impartial anonymity in investigative journalism, and to highlight the extreme risk in the line of duty. So regarding their line of work, if they are to remove their signature face masks, it will mean doom for the journalists in the Tiger Eye Corporation. And so everybody should disregard information that Anas is to testify in an open court without his nose mask, as it was being aired by some media houses yesterday. So I don't know why a credible media house will come up with this reportage without doing any background checks or any additional background investigation. So all of us should disregard that information that Anas is to testify in an open court without his signature face mask. assemble yenya botare na yehwehwe mansana. Yeah, so that is it. I am Dolly K. Catch me next time.